All right, guys, what's going on? Justin from 79th Productions, and today we are going to be installing a headliner. We're going to do a custom headliner. A lot of you guys voted on this one on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at 79th Productions. And if you would like to pick up some merchandise, that always helps out the channel. The link will be in the description. So yeah, but we're about to do the headliner. You guys voted on Instagram, and it was neck and neck between the black and the Mario. So my kids picked and Mario won. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the headliner. We're gonna be using a couple of different things to do it, and this is the easiest way to do it, and it's not really a hard job. You guys can do this if you want to do it. It'll probably just take an afternoon of your time, and you know, you'll get some good results out of it. But let's show you what we're working with. So this is the old headliner, and obviously this was a female's car before. It was a girl's car, and you know, this is the headliner they chose to use, and you know, it's actually held up for a while. You know, this wasn't falling off or anything. I just started pulling it off. But we're gonna get rid of this headliner, and then we are going to be installing this headliner. Well, not the headliner, but the material. We're going to be installing this material on the headliner, and hopefully it'll come out good. I think it will. So what we're going to be using today, we're going to, obviously we got the material already, but we're just going to be using some gloves, a mask, and these little clamps. We're going to be using these. I picked up these. They're at Harbor Freight for $1 for 6 of them. So basically, when we get the new headliner on, we're just gonna, once we get it glued on and pressed in, we're just gonna overlap it and let it sit on like that, so that it'll hold the edges on the back. And yeah, some scissors, a mask, and this is the headliner and carpet adhesive, headliner and carpet adhesive, and it's Permatex. And I picked this up at, I believe it was Advanced Auto Parts. Yeah, Advanced Auto Parts, and this was like $6 a can. So the material cost me $15, and there's a bunch of it left over. Maybe we might do the door inserts with those. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. But yeah, the material cost $15 at Hobby Lobby, and we're gonna get to this, and hopefully we can get it done. If you can see over here, it's the fall time, and it's pretty cold outside, and right now it's about 45 degrees, so 50 degrees. So I hope the adhesive will dry just fine, but I think it will. Permatex is a good brand, so I think it'll work. But yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start by pulling off the old headliner. All right, guys, so now that we got that off, we are going to lay this new material on. Now, for some of you guys, if you have another headliner, you would need to scrape a lot of the material off, the foam that's on there, but mine was already done, so that's a good thing. It makes it a lot easier for me. But I'm going to lay this on. I already pre-cut it, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it about, you know, 4 to 5 inches of space on each end. That way I can tuck it under and glue it on the back side. Done with the front. We're gonna flip this thing over to the back and start taking care of the back. Now that we folded these back pieces over, we're just gonna trim them, and it is it's getting pretty dark out here, so we're just gonna leave this till tomorrow, and I will oh, that came up. Stick that back on. I will show you guys the results in the daylight. So we're just gonna do the same thing we did on the front and trim all the excess pieces up, and we're done. And same thing for this little light section, we'll trim that up too, but as of right now, we're done, and I'll show it to you in the daylight. Here it is, all done. Last night it got pretty dark on me, so I had to wrap the video up there, but starting again today, I cut the back side of that, and I'm gonna make a spot for the light right there. I'm gonna cut that open, and also for the rear view mirror. But I think it came out pretty great. It laid down, it's sticking on there. I tried to pull it up, and it is so hard to get it up. So, but there was a couple of spots that had some wrinkles in it, like right here, but you could barely notice that. But there's a molding that covers it, but that's why I didn't lift it up and pull it up and fix it. But the rest of it, guys, it came out pretty good. So I'm gonna get it in the car, and I'll show you the final results once it's in the car. All right, guys, so we just installed the headliner in here. It looks pretty good. I'm not sure that I'm the biggest fan of the Mario, but you know, I want to do something fun that you guys can pick. So I put up a post on Instagram saying which one would you rather see. I wanted to go with black, but most of the people on Instagram said go with the Mario, and my kids were super excited about the Mario, so went with the Mario. If anything, you know, we can always change it. You know, it didn't take too much time to do this, but yeah, it's in the car. I still need to hook up all of this stuff. I got all the rest of the interior on the ground, the door panels, the rest of the interior that has to go in. I have to clean the interior out. Those panels been sitting, you know, they've been sitting when I've been sanding and, you know, when I painted the car. So, you know, it's, I got to do a lot of stuff to it. I got to clean everything out. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it. You know, pretty easy to install a headliner, not too much work. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. That was my first time doing it. Didn't get too many wrinkles. I kind of wrapped it up. I should have put the rest of the stuff in, but it's been raining off and on all day, so couldn't really get anything done. So, but yeah, guys, that's it. DIY headliner install, and you know, hope you guys like the video. If you want to try it, go for it. It's pretty easy. You don't need too much. You don't need too much material. I think I've used maybe like 4 feet by 5 feet of fabric, so it wasn't much. I got more than I should have, but you know, it's better to have more than less. So yeah, but that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, guys, follow me on Instagram, and if you would like to support the channel, pick up some merchandise, the link is in the description. But yeah, guys, once again, thanks for watching. As always, guys, you guys support this channel so much, and just it's really great. You know, it's a great feeling knowing that you guys are watching this video. But yeah, thanks again, guys. Follow me on Instagram at 79th Productions, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you.